Every aircraft that takes flight carries something important. Passengers, crew, critical cargo, or a mission that cannot wait. But behind every safe departure are the systems and components working flawlessly out of sight. At AerSale, we never forget what's riding on our work, because reliability isn't just a specification, it's a promise. Because every flight depends on the systems behind it. Inside our AerSale Component Solutions facility, that promise is delivered every day through advanced testing, skilled technicians, and the infrastructure required to support today's most demanding aircraft systems. Our new pneumatics test capability features a high-pressure, high-temperature valve stand designed to support all commercial aircraft engines and airframe types, which include air conditioning, bleed, anti-ice, starting systems, and more. These systems play a critical role in aircraft performance, environmental control, and overall operational reliability. That's why our testing capabilities are designed to simulate real-world operating conditions while delivering the consistency and precision today's operators demand. Our state-of-the-art air cycle machine test stand features a modular design, which allows for testing of all commercial aircraft ACMs on a single system without additional equipment, improving flexibility, throughput, and turnaround times for operators. That same philosophy extends to our starter capability. Our fully heated air starter stand recreates real-world operating conditions, allowing our technicians to evaluate performance with precision and confidence, simulating the demanding environments these systems experience in actual aircraft operation. Because in aviation, there is no substitute for accuracy. Hydraulic systems are equally critical to aircraft operation. Our advanced hydraulic testing capability allows components to be evaluated under real-world pressure and performance conditions, delivering the reliability operators depend on every day. Supporting these capabilities is AerSale's in-house engineering team. Working alongside our technicians, they develop repair solutions, evaluate complex components, and help operators extend the life of critical aircraft systems, turning technical expertise into practical results for fleets around the world. Electrical power is the lifeblood of every aircraft. At AerSale, our integrated drive generator repair capability supports the systems that keep aircraft operating safely and reliably. Recent investments have expanded our testing capacity with the addition of a second power generation test stand, strengthening our ability to support operators with dependable, efficient component repair. Our commitment to capability expansion continues at our AeroStructures facility in Hialeah Gardens. At 90,000 square feet, this purpose-built facility represents one of the most advanced AeroStructures operations in the Southeast United States. Outfitted with state-of-the-art equipment, including a 40-foot heating oven, the largest in South Florida, a 40-foot paint booth, and a dedicated 24 by 24 sanding booth, all designed to enhance quality, efficiency, and turnaround times. Specialized infrastructure allows us to support even the industry's largest components, including Boeing 777 thrust reversers, delivering the capability operators need for complex structural repairs. With expanded training facilities and advanced equipment, we're investing not just in infrastructure, but in the people and processes that deliver results. Because whether supporting commercial airlines, cargo operators, or military fleets, the components we repair return to service ready to perform, restored with precision, tested with confidence. AerSale Component Repair. And when combined with AerSale's engineering expertise, AeroStructures capability, and global aviation aftermarket solutions, it's everything operators need. One integrated solution, because every flight depends on the systems behind it.